Hi folks. So I was going to teach you Cotton Eye Joe in the key of G, in a G tuning, standard G tuning in the banjo. And I'll play it through and then we'll break it down and teach it, okay? So here we are, we're in key of G. We're going to start off with, let's turn my turn off, with a bum diddy on the first string, and then at the first string, second fret, a pull off diddy, and then we're going to make a C chord and hit the second string, bum diddy. So far what we have is bum diddy, pull off diddy, bum diddy. Now I realize I played it a couple of different ways when I was just demonstrating it, so I will show you some of those little variations at the end, but let's start with it this way. Okay, moving on. We're going to hit the second string and then hammer on the third string. And I'm hammering on, basically it's my habit to hammer on a whole 5 chord, a D7 chord. And then, so we're going to hit the second string and then hitting this third string and a ditty. And then immediately this finger goes over here to the fourth string. So hammer on ditty, bum, bum, and then comes back and hits the third string open. Try it again. Try that one more time. Second string, hammer on third string, ditty, bum, bum. Moving on, pull off, bum, bum, diddy. So we're going to go pull off and then second string open and then back up to the C chord. And then we're going to go hammer on diddy, bum, bum. That's all the same until then. Pull off, and instead of going bum, bum, we're gonna go bum, bum, diddy. So listen to the arc of the tune. You're starting up higher. Bum, bum, diddy, bum, diddy, bum, diddy. Now it's going down, but it's going back up. Now it's going down, and it's going way down, and it ends up on this string. So it kind of goes up and then down, and then it goes up in the beginning. Now it goes down, and it goes back up, then it goes down, and goes way down. Okay. So this note where we ended up, this fourth string open, we're going to start the B part on that part too. So this first part you play twice, and then you're going to play your open fourth string, and you're going to hammer on at the second fret. You're going to go. So there's a ditty after that. Ham on diddy, bum diddy. Now there's a couple ways we can do this, and we'll show you a variation later, but let's just start with this pull off. So it's a pull off at the third string. So it's hammer on diddy, bum diddy, pull off, and then second string, and then make your C chord, bum diddy. And then this part is just like in the end of the A part. It should sound familiar because it's exactly what's in the end of the A part. And ham on diddy, bum diddy, pull off, bum, bum diddy. Those last two notes are on the second string. Open, and then with a C chord. And then Hammond diddy bum bum, pull off bum bum diddy. Okay, so that's the whole tune. There's not a whole lot to it, but there are some variations you could do. So in the beginning, you could go something like. So all I did was I substituted, instead of going bum diddy, I substituted this. It's kind of ditty ditty, ditty 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 ditty, rocking back and forth on the first and second string. And then it continues right on. So instead of this, it's okay. So that's one variation in the very beginning. So how about you can go in the beginning. So all you're doing there is you're doing your first do bum diddy bum. Instead of your ditty, you're going. So it's a slide. So you're going bum diddy bum, slide up, second string, C chord, second string, and then continue on. Okay, so those are three things you could do, different things you could do in the very beginning of the tune. Let's talk about something in the B part. I taught you hammer on diddy bum diddy, pull off second string diddy. But we could do a slide there too. We could go hammer on diddy bum diddy, slide and then the C chord. And what in slow-mo we've got hammer on diddy bum diddy. That's all the same. But instead of we're going to go. Okay, so it's slide and diddy, C chord, instead of. So just a couple of variations, some in the A and some in the B. That you might throw in to just kind of make yourself more amused while you're playing it. So, all right, Cotton Eye Joe, a good old tune.